Hey everybody, Joe with Joe's Phenomenal here and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be using a Ninja Creami to make pineapple sorbet. So you ready? Let's get into this. This is going to be a really easy recipe because all we need are our fresh pineapples. We went ahead and taken this and diced them all up. If you want to make it sweeter, you can add a little bit of monk fruit sweetener or stevia, but you probably won't need it. So we're going to take our pineapples here and we're just going to stuff them into our pint cup, keeping in mind that we never want to go over our max fill line. So we're going to put these in here, and once we have them up to the fill line there, you're going to use the back of the spoon here just to kind of mash these down, and you want these to be kind of broken up a little bit. So basically we're just kind of helping the process along. You can just kind of crush all of these against the sides of the container here as much as you can. You're gonna get a lot of juice out of this, but that's perfectly fine. Once you've got that compressed down, we're just gonna throw on the lid, and then this will go in the freezer for 24 hours. After it's been 24 hours, you can go ahead and remove it from the freezer. We're gonna go ahead and take that off. As you can see, our pineapples are frozen pretty well here. Then all that's left to do is let the Ninja Creami do its work. So all we gotta do is take the lid off the outer bowl, drop in our pineapples, lock the top back on, and then get this back in the machine. Now from here, all we gotta do is hit the sorbet button. Once that completes, we should be ready to serve. See how that came out? Perfect pineapple sorbet. That sorbet came out really great, and the best part is we didn't have to add any sugar to that at all. All of the sweetness comes directly from the pineapples. If you don't have a Ninja Creami, you can still do this recipe, and you don't want to freeze it completely solid. That way you can scoop it out and put it into a single serving cup for your blender. Then just blend it a little bit and you should get pretty good results too. If you'd like to try out this recipe, all the ingredients are down in the description area of the video, along with the calorie count, the fat, the carbohydrates, and the protein. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about Joe's Phenomenal, you can watch a couple more of our videos, or you can check us out online at joesphenomenal.com. As always, I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day to watch our video. So once again, my name's Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.